Oh my gosh. This tree is loaded with mangoes. Look at all. Wow.
Okay, here is the yield. Rotted. Watch it. My gosh. And more back over there. So. Oh my gosh. What is going on here? It coming like with that one mango orchard.
Mango festival. This one's not. This one not. It's soft inside.
This is a whole tree worth, and then mango, yo, huge.
It's fine. Here. Bring it back. The back here.
Why you don't want that?
Yeah, no, I will take it, but them wet. Many to dry up.
The two of them.
Oh God. Boy. This is super sweet.
Finger in the mouth.
That's good.
It's so good.
I feel depraved. But it's so sweet. Okay, no. Don't waste it, you know. Well, you don't waste mango seed.
Huh?
You don't waste mango seed.
What do you mean?
Wait. What? Oh my gosh. Son, give us some privacy.
Privacy. Everybody in the mango.
So much mango.
Anyway, I'm gonna have a mango for breakfast. Not to rub it in your face, but wickedness. They might get overripe, so I'm gonna try and eat them off. Boy! But it's so sweet. Boy! But it's so